Hey everyone, Dan here. I just wanted to show you my latest effector from my Delta printer. As you can see, there's two rolls of filament. I'm using two heads on it right now. I'm going to zoom in and show this. So this is my three-headed effector. I've got two E3D hot ends in there right now, and this actually ended up being a very simple and effective design. As you can see, there's springs on the top here, and that was a major consideration of mine when making this. I wanted to easily be able to adjust the height of the head to make it both of them flat against the build plate. So that's the original reason for the screws. Now the springs are there to basically make sure that when you're double printing or printing with both heads, and let's say this nozzle is printing the filament but this nozzle over here is not, and it hits part of your print, I didn't want it to rip the print off the build plate. So if it can press up and absorb that impact, then that's much better. So anyway, I've been printing a couple prints with this, and so far I really like it. It's made contact with a couple of the prints so far, and it raised up a little bit, so the print was saved. You can kind of tell in the extruder or the hot end that is printing, it does move a little bit when the other one raises up, but it still saves the print. So that was my main objective. Now there's actually a neat thing we can do with this spring-loaded mechanism here, and that is to actually use a block to lift up one of the heads if you're only going to print with one. So when I do that and put it down on the build plate, you can see that the one on the right is touching the build plate, but the one on the left is not, and I've raised it up. So that allows us to print with the one on the right and not have to worry about this one making contact if we're not even going to use it. So that was a kind of a neat added bonus of this particular design. So right now I've got it fairly well adjusted to make both heads make contact at the exact same time. So anyway, I'm pretty happy with it. I've not seen anything like this on the internet, so I wanted to give it a try. There's a couple things here, like using plastic for this piece. It really doesn't need to be super strong, but with the plastic I can drill holes in it, mount fans however I want to. It really adds a lot of extra benefit for ease of use. So anyway, I hope you like it. It's working well for me, and thanks for watching.